Hello everyone, welcome to PriyankkaDadwal's YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great just like me. So today in this video I'm going to share with you all my personal experience, or you can say my feedback on the recent stay experience in this beautiful property of Munnar, that is Elixir Hills Resort Suites and Spa. So in this video you'll be able to see the property glimpse and the room where we stayed, along with the buffet breakfast we had in this hotel for 2 days. So guys, as you all know that a few months back, that is precisely in the month of March, we visited Kerala, and our first stop in Kerala was Munnar. So we stayed in Munnar for around 2 nights, and the room we booked over here was Deluxe suite, which had a living room separate inside the room. Along with that, we had bedroom and a balcony and 2 bathing rooms. Price we paid for 2 nights stay in this deluxe suite room with breakfast for 2 adults and 1 child was around 16,798. So you can say approximately it was around 17,000 for 2 nights, which is extremely high, honestly speaking, for 2 nights stay in Munnar. But chose this resort based on its high Google ratings and the promise of serene forest stay, something we always dreamed of. While the natural beauty and scenic surroundings were indeed breathtaking, the overall experience fell short, mainly due to poor service and lack of basic amenities. So I'll give you a breakdown one by one. First of all, it is based in the remote location. Yes, the resort is located far from the main town. So if you return after sunset, the resort route becomes quite risky because of poor visibility, minimal road lighting and almost no traffic make it a blackout situation. Despite our efforts, we always ended up returning in the dark after sightseeing. Second point is no connectivity. There is no mobile network in the rooms or anywhere in the resort, and Wi-Fi only works in limited spots, which makes staying connected difficult. Thirdly, no intercom facility. Surprisingly, the room intercom didn't work at all. So for even basic requests like food, laundry or cleaning, we had to walk to another building where the reception was located. And the second option given by the reception staff was that you take our mobile number and give us a WhatsApp call if you have any queries or if you want something in urgent. So next point is lack of staff presence. The building where the rooms are located had no staff presence, so it felt almost unmonitored and getting assistance was almost impossible. Next point is food concerns. While the food variety is decent, the taste did not suit North Indian preferences. And even if you talk about the South Indian food, the food they serve is totally different that we normally eat in west region or north region of India. So also being so remote, there are no food delivery options from outside, so you cannot have outside food or you cannot get it delivered to the hotel also because of its remote location. Next point, when you cannot have outside food or when there are no food delivery options available near the resort chose to keep the prices of the food extremely high, which means the food here was overpriced. The prices were exorbitant, which felt like a revenue strategy rather than a hospitality service. Room rates are also very high, as I told you, especially considering the lack of service and maintenance. And if you talk about the rooms, the room maintenance is really a point of concern. The deluxe room where we stayed in was not really well maintained, and the view was disappointing as the resort hadn't taken care of its own backyard space. So overall, I would say if you're looking for complete isolation with no outside disturbance, this resort is ideal for meditation or a digital detox. It might suit those kind of people. But if you expect basic hospitality standards, communication ease and value for money, this resort may not be the right fit. So scenic beauty wise, I'll give this resort 10 on 10. Hospitality and service wise, I'll give this resort 2 out of 10. Overall, I would say in one line that this resort is not recommended unless it's the only option available in Munnar. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and keep looking for the notifications from my YouTube channel to stay updated on the recent videos of my Kerala trip. Till then, it's me PriyankkaDadwal saying ciao for now. You guys stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you. Bye-bye.